liko loving oyagala kola kaviri oshanane.
Alright, yes, welcome. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Alright, if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to make it a point by clicking on the red button, ring the bell, so that you be the first person to be watching all the videos. Yes, as I told you that our School of Beauty is now open. That is Hair by Clippers Beauty School. So that admissions are going on. You can come and join us if you want to learn. Yes, and I'm also very happy to be one of your instructors. So I'll be one of your instructors. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to do the kinky box braids. But first and foremost, what we need to learn about this, it is the method. Yes, we have been doing the kinky braids, but always we need to focus on this method, like how to start it from down. This is very, very important. Like, let's say we are doing the small, the medium, and these big ones. Yes, they're also different on how you pack them, then the extension that you use, plus this method of installation. So now we're going to first learn how to install these, the method that we use while braiding this, because it is very, very important to learn how to do this. So as we're doing that, we're going to separate this into 3 portions, just like this. So if you separate that, all we need to do is to get back to our hair extension, the one we are going to use. So here I'm just going to be using only one, just like this. So this is how I join it. So after joining, I add this way. You can see how it looks this way, just like that. You braid again like this, and then you braid just like that. And this is how you continue braiding until you finish. So as you're braiding here, there's something that also need to something you need to understand. As I always tell you, that when it comes to kinky, when you try to make it to make it so hard, it also become like very, very hard. So as you're braiding here, we need to know that when it comes to natural hair with kinky, when they combine, they're always like, you don't need to make it tight. So that's why I'm like, when you look at this, it is not very tight, and it is just that soft and flexible. So please, as we do this, just like that, and then this one, you make sure that you combine it behind like this to make all the 3, this one, and to make all the 3 sides equal. Then you start braiding here. So you see, put it here, it is already here on top, the other one's on the other side. So we move just like this. This method is very, very nice when you learn how to do it. And yes, it is one of my courses, and to join it, I just have to go in the description. Just click on that link below. It is here, www.hairbyclippersinstitute.com. Yes, you find all the courses there, the one you can choose and learn how to do this. Still, there is also another link for my other channel, where I'm advising you about hairstyles, the hair type you have, the hairstyles you're supposed to do, and those hairstyles that you don't need to do. So you can also go and subscribe on that channel. Yes. So now here, this is how it is, but something that you also need to understand, that when you're doing these big box braids, we don't need to overpack them. This is the very, very important thing that you need to know, because someone might look at it and yes, it is something that is very simple. but you need to calculate your extension with someone's hair, because we have those people who have thick hair, and so you're not going to add a lot of more extension to make it very thicker, and accordingly to this hairstyle, it is just have to be something that is very easy to maintain, very flexible, and very light on the head. So don't do it and then you do it on your way by adding a lot of extension, and then you overpack it somewhere. Those things are not always good. So as I'm doing that, we should remember that all these three portions are supposed to be equal. As we're adding this, go this side, this one is held here, and then you start braiding like this, just like that. You see, it is really very, very simple on how to do it. So I would like you to give me any question that you want to learn about this, or what you want to know about this hairstyle, by going right in the comment section. Tell me what you would want to know more about that, and I'll be there to answer you. And another thing, I always love someone to like the video and to tell me where you're watching me from. I feel so happy whenever I hear someone telling me that I'm this country. I feel good. That one makes me feel like, yes, people are saying what I'm doing, and maybe to appreciate me, just like the video. So here you can see how it looks. You just have to make sure that you first do your sketches when it comes to the front part. So after doing the sketches, we're going to do it by separating this in the middle. You can see, so we still have to add some gel. Yes, so after all that, we have the two sides. So you bring this here like that, and then this one goes on top. You start do the braiding just like that. So as you're braiding here, you can try to look at my hands. They're really very, very gentle, very gentle. You just have to not to make it tight at all. Just have, you see how they are just moving very gentle and smooth, just like that. Because when you do it very hard, trust me, we all know what Kinky can do. When it is plaited like in a hard way, it might break someone's hair. So when we're done, you see how I'm braiding. I reach at that extent, and then I do it that way. We braid it, and here we go. You can see how amazing this one looks. So we continue by braiding. You see how it looks. I just love that. Now let's see on this angle how we can also do that. So all the things, you just have to keep on practicing them, and trust me, if you do that, it will be good. But always learn how to do these sketches, because they help a lot. They help a lot when we're doing these, just like that. They help a lot. Yes, so this one's why our first it's the first time on this channel. We always upload videos every week. That is the good thing. And this channel, it doesn't specialize in something. We always do different types of hairstyle. So it is about you to subscribe now, so that you always watch most of these videos. See how it looks? You see? So you just braid like that. You're moving slowly by slowly, this way, that way, just like that, and then you just continue this way. You see how it looks? You see, just continue like that. All in all, you just have to be as soft as possible. That's what I can say when it comes to this king. So the outcomes, you can also testify after seeing how soft my hands are moving. Just know that this is painless, and I can always recommend it to those ones who have good hairline, especially in front. Yes, it's not something that is going to be done to everyone, as especially those ones without hairline. Yes, because we need the hairline in front to help us, like, to do these kind of braids here in front, this braiding, because it is different from the method that I've been braiding behind, you understand. But all to look good, we just need your hairline to be there. So this is what I can tell about it. I can tell you about this, but trust me, if you braid this hair this way, they are stress-free, very light on the head, and we all know kinky when it comes to, let's say you're swimming, it just dries as soon as possible. So there is nothing like you don't need to be scared about this hairstyle. Trust me, it is very, very nice, and yeah, very, very. So this is how it is. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and still I want to remind you, our school of beauty is open. You can come and join us so that we learn together all these hairstyles. And yes, I'm one of your instructors. Yes, I'm one of you. That is Hair by Clippers Beauty School. We are open, allowing the admission to come. Yes, come and you register with us so that the January intake you're together with us. So this is what I got for you. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. But let's first see these other steps plus the hair extension that we used, because yes, there are those people keep on coming back to my comment section asking about the hair extension, and yet we always I always add them in the description. Oh sorry, I always add them in the video. So I just know that those are the people who have this habit of just looking at the first thing and then they scroll until the end without seeing other middle things that are very, very important. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out. To may the Lord bless you all, but let's try to see all these steps how they look like. But don't forget to like the video, if possible comment, tell me where you're watching me from, and I'll be there to answer you.
Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko Hair by Clippers, Hair by Clippers, Hair by Clippers, Hair by Clippers. Confidence said in muchikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none. Anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga tuli ba big ballers, shot callers, tukola kwa babaze ulira so high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splash it. Everybody Clippers, we the best. 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 Hair by Clippers, 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 hair by Clippers. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko Hair by Clippers, hair by Clippers, hair by Clippers, hair by Clippers. Sometimes you need a little loving. Oyagala kola ka video shonane.
Hey, you need some little pampering. No mukono mukugo kumanyije gukora. Itakiwa crochet master. Yakubuka muri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu ewa crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Crochet master. Maurice. Maurice.